Yep, wrong game. Inspirational Game 2. Friendly fire happens in games too. You know it gets serious when even the dogs aren't. Now that's fandom to an extreme. And you can never carry enough. Take him while lying down. Because reloading causes delays. The habit's too easy to pick up. But yeah, some kids get too carried away. Use your partner for cover. Is that a fact? He beats even solid Snake for agelessness. You gotta love it. Yeah, the logic's busted. Yes, a knife is always deadly.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.